Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. This is your Elliott Wave update for Solana. I'm just going over the daily real quick. In the middle of a third wave, eventual targets are 140 because of these extensions. Original targets were between 90 and 108, but we've extended above that, so we have to adjust for that. I'm going to go down to the 4 hourly, just giving you the quick rundown. Looking for this third of the third to be in, or potentially just one more wave to the upside around 135 before getting this fourth wave correction down between $60 and $85 if we pivot from here, and a little higher targets, if we do make one more high and we have to move our third wave over. So we're going to zoom into just this area here, and I'll show you the discrepancies I'm talking about. So it's hard to say if our fifth wave is in here or if we need one more higher. Reason being is this is our wave 1, 2. I had this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 with a triangle. So if this isn't a triangle here, then we need one more wave to the upside to complete this fifth. And reason being is if this isn't a triangle, then this is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's only 3 instead of 5, as you can see, if we got an expanded flat here rather than a triangle. So leaving room for one more wave to the upside around 135, you see at the 2.236. So is the third here or is the third here? Hard to say at the moment. Either way is open. We did get a three-wave move to the downside as an ABC. Get rid of all this. Hide. Hide. Okay. So we have our A wave in as a 3. When we get 3, we'd expect our B wave to be completed here shortly around the 1-to-1 extension, which is there at 112.72, and to hold this level. And we'd get a series of zigzags to the downside. And if the third is in, this would be our first three-wave move in an A wave on the larger trend on the 4 hour. Now, if we're making more upside, this would have to make some sort of ending diagonal if this is the low. If this is the low, ABC, 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 something like that, up to around 135. Series of ABCs to the upside. Alternatively, again, what else starts as 3? We could be making a flat. So we could get something like this, where we get our A wave. This could become extra complex. ABC, break a new high, come back, then go up to 135. Then we top in our third wave, as shown. So this is another option here. But because of these scenarios and limited upside, I'm not currently interested in a trade myself. Where I am interested in a trade, areas of interest for me is, when we reach this area, I'd be looking for a short. I'd look for specific things to take an entry into that trade, which I'm not going to share at this moment, but I will in further videos. Or out on the 1 hour. I would be interested in a long in this area. So currently out of the area of interest for me for a trade setup. The best option I do see for a trade setup at the moment is to the upside, obviously. Target's only at 135. And my stop would have to be at this previous low. That's the only trade setup I'd be interested in. But I'm not interested in it because there's just too much other things to trade. Much better than a 2-to-1 risk reward at the moment. So going to be paying attention to this wave, see what happens. But upside is limited in my point of view up to around 135, at which case I'd be interested in a short. I do believe we have to come down to this area before making our next wave to the upside. All right, guys, so that's it for Solana. Thanks for watching. Currently in these other trades, I'll show you in a second. Like and subscribe if you want to keep up to date on all of these. I update them before I get in real time where I move my stops. So make sure to like and subscribe if you want to stay updated. Thanks for watching.